Okay, I'm doing another test on this new demo account with Black Bull Markets. I'm currently testing GBP, USD, UJ, EuroCEF, and Odd NZ. Right now I'm looking at the numbers. I started with 100 grand, and the profit is at 4 grand. So here's the losses. Losses as high as 1200, 118, 70, 57. But obviously the wins have been more at 2300, 1000, 900, 694, 390. So the point of this is to test this EA and make sure that it's working properly, and also to see obviously how much it would profit in the weeks or 2 weeks time frame that I've tested it. And so far, I'm happy with its results. I've seen drawdowns of $2,000, $1,000, but as of right now, we're in profit on equity of 2,700. So if the EA was to take profit today, if we were to close out today at this time, we would add an additional realized profit of 2,700. What we want to do next week is wait for the launch of this official EA and test that then on another demo account. What can this do for me in the future? Well, $4,000 a week wouldn't be too bad. Um, but even at $1 a day would help if it's a cent account. If you're even starting with just $100 in a cent account, uh, just even every penny will count. Of course, you want to compound your dollars. You want to maximize your account. But when starting out without $100,000, this can be dangerous to trade at the level that it has been trading. So we'll continue to trade and update on results. Also, this is a martingale strategy, so it doesn't take losses and lots and batches. The losses that it does take are less than it would have been if it had taken them without the martingale strategy. So if we're going in direction of the trend, then the lots start at 0.01 and they take profit every however many pips you set. So right now it's at 10 pips and can go more than a minimum of 6. If it were to change direction, because it uses a moving average, then the losses are calculated and not taken, but evened out through the trend that it takes in the opposite direction. So what's best is to use it as it's designed, martingale strategy with a max or a limited amount of lot sizes when you're starting out at a beginning account, or trade in direction with a max amount of lots that you're prepared to calculate at 10% or less on the account. Okay, so all said and done, as long as we understand what's going on, we're supposed to make money, not lose money. Okay, we're going to continue testing next week. See you.